What is up, people of the internet? Welcome to day 24 of vibe coding on a Steam Deck until we make $1 million. So, today, let's jump into it. I'm gonna first check on my phone, make sure the internet is good for the stream, and then we'll jump right in. I'm busy checking right now, and it does appear like we are sorted. Yes, okay. So let's jump into the plan for today. So I'll make a day 24. We'll say new file, and I'll save it. Day24.md. Okay, so what's the plan today, right? I think today I want to continue work on Genipedia. So let's just do here Genipedia. Just continue working on it. Nothing specific planned. I just want to continue working on that specific website. And then there is my personal website, Roselt.com. So on this one, we need to still polish out the new sections there. But I'm just going to say continue working on it for now as well. Continue working on it because there's nothing specific on that one either. Okay. What else? Oh yes. Then we have Roselt.js. Roselt.js. Hello, Ian. Good morning, Sean. Like the video, please, everyone. I don't think there's anyone here just yet, but thank you very much, Ian. Appreciate it. Okay, Roselt.js. Here, I think I want to check all the different updates we did, make sure it's working correctly. So, check latest updates and make sure everything is working as expected. Or check latest library updates and make sure it's working. Check, or let's say here, read through documentation and make sure it's all good. Publish new npm version. Publish new, or let's say publish new GitHub. Publish new website version. I think that might be it for Roselt.js for now. I don't know if we'll actually get to it, but that's the plan right now. I've already had quite a productive morning. I've already gotten like 4 hours of work in on Genipedia this morning, and some on my personal website as well. But I wasn't able to go live just because I was also watching my son at the same time. So I have done quite a bit since yesterday. So I think let's just jump in, right? I think we'll start on my personal website. So today's stream is not going to be anything that makes us money. It's just right now doing general small updates here and there, get some of the personal stuff out of the way. Okay, so on my personal website, I'm trying to get the iframes to work. And currently they are not working. I don't know why, but they are broken. Maybe I should just revert back. I don't know if that's maybe a good idea. Supposed to stay matching. Let's revert back and also implement the exact same search. Yeah. I don't know how far to revert back. Okay, I don't trust what Claude did for us here. So I might revert back just before the Claude Opus 4.7 changes. Because I suspect that's what actually broke it. Let's see if this revert works, right? So I just reverted it. Let's refresh the page. No, it's still not working. Oh man. Okay. Shall I revert back even more then? Like, let's revert back to this one. Okay. Refresh. Still not working. No way. Oh, well, now I lost many other work as well because I reverted back so far. Okay. Okay, let me just try to figure out what I actually lost. Okay. So we still got the footer at least. Footer.js in here, header.js. Footer behavior moved to assets.js. Toggles back to top smooth scrolls. Okay. That's unfortunate, but it's fine. Let's start a new chat here and try to fix these freaking iframes. Or maybe I should revert just one of the files and see. So let's go to apps, right? It's not working in apps. Libraries. Okay, let's revert libraries. Libraries, just that one. Discard file. Let's see how libraries looks. Oh, it's still not loading. Now I'm very confused as to where the issue is, to be honest. Okay, I'm just very confused. Okay, let's just choose GPT 5.5.4 and we'll say here, please check why the website is not loading in the iframe. Yeah, let's just start there, I think. Then I don't think we'll be touching the QR code generator today. So I'm just going to ignore it. Roselt.js we are definitely going to be touching. There's lots to do here. Where is my notes? Okay. Let's start on the documentation perhaps. Getting started. Okay, let's start on the homepage. Okay, route real pages through straight from your folder tree. Roselt.js resolves pages, scripts, styles, and metadata from matching files so the structure of the app stays readable as the project grows. You can start with one entry page and add nested guides or app views and keep the route map obvious without maintaining a separate route registry, okay? This looks correct, yeah? I want to add a CSS file here actually also in the example. Let's do that. We'll go that. Also show home.css. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. Site footer, site header. Okay, that looks clean. Okay. Keep the frame mounted while routed content swaps cleanly. Create components live in the shell so the header, sidebar, and footer remain stable while navigation updates only the routed page content. That makes Roselt.js a good fit for full product applications, internal tools, documentation portals, and teams that want direct HTML authoring without giving up app structure. Why is it failing? Try again. Okay. Deploy where static delivery fits, and package where installs matter. Zero runtime dependencies in the publish package. One root entry page where required. One root entry page required to start a rooted app. Two core directories to remember: pages and documents. SPA, navigation that still fits naturally on static infrastructure. Okay, that's looking good. Deploy where delivery fits and package where installs matter. The default query-based router works cleanly on static hosts, and path name routing is available when your host can rewrite every request back to the entry page. Roselt.js stays close to the platform. HTML files, module scripts, custom elements, and metadata controls that are easy to inspect, reason about, and reuse across serious application services. Okay, I do like what it's saying here so far. Choose the right shell. Use the best platform from every platform. No, use the best from every platform. Roselt.js is strongest when it keeps the web experience first class and then moves into package shells only when the product needs specific delivery. Okay, that looks good. Why is this failing? Let's try again. So I'll do that. Add home.css. Okay, stay true to the web. Roselt.js keeps rooted interfaces close to the platform so browser apps stay fast, direct, and inspectable. You keep real HTML, linkable routes, persistent shell UI, and rendering behavior that still feels native to the browser. Package for platforms. Roselt.js can start on the web and move into package shells where the product needs a platform-specific distribution story. Keep the rooted UI structure intact while choosing the wrapper that fits Windows, Apple, Android, or Linux delivery. Okay, dive into docs. Sweet. So if I click on open getting started, right? Okay, get a Roselt.js app running with one entry file and a pages folder. Roselt.js is optimized for the simplest working shape: an index.html entry point, a result page root, and a rooted page files. If you keep query routing, the same setup works cleanly on GitHub pages. Faster start. Scaffold a project. Okay. There needs to be a copy button here. Add a quick copy to clipboard button top right when you hover on this element. So let's add that. The generated app includes an index.html entry point, starter shell components, and a home root. Okay, not gonna read that. Start from the minimum. I think we should show the file structure for this one as well, probably. If you want to understand the framework from first principles, create an index.html file at the root of your app and use the default directories directly. The routed page root must include navigate. If you later add more than one result page element, Roselt.js will only use the one marked with navigate for normal navigation. Add a shell with components. Headers, footers, sidebars, and other shared UI are regular component files. Put them around the rooted page root in index. Okay. Add your first root. Roselt.js resolves page. I don't like the way the docs are reading, to be honest. Okay, I'm actually going to change this. I think the getting started page should be like a step-by-step instructions almost to create the basic one. Okay, we got a copy button, which is nice. It's not super easy to see the copy button. Make it stand out more. Okay. Good morning, chat, is what AdStar is saying. Welcome, AdStar. Welcome to the chat. How are you doing? I did take a look at your website. I have a few feedback to give. Do you want me to, just tell you the feedback right now? Or would you rather want it over a text message? Because I have your site open here right now. But I won't show it on stream. I know you said keep it private. Doing lacquer, that's good. You can say it's fine. Okay. So I haven't actually logged in yet. So I haven't done full testing yet. So just the initial feedback from the login page so far is what I'll give you. Um, so the first thing is if you hover on an item that's clickable, in my opinion, it should have the finger cursor. Now, some of your stuff does have it, like your footer links is the correct hand cursor. But if you check, for instance, the sign in button is not the hand cursor. So I would give the hand cursor to the sign in button as well as the Google button. That would be my first feedback. And then it looks like if I click on privacy, on terms, guidelines, or donations at the bottom, it looks like it wants you to log in before you can actually go to those pages. Um, unless you haven't made those pages yet, and that's why it just stays on the login page. If that's the case, then it's fine. But if it's not the case, I don't think someone should have to log in to view those pages. They should just be able to view them without logging in. I think you might not have made those pages yet actually, because I see the forgot password one is the same. So I'm guessing you haven't made those pages yet, right? Am I correct in saying that? Yeah, I know I did this recently. I'll fix the legal. The pages exist if you log in. Okay, yeah. So yeah, you definitely should be able to access those without needing to log in. Then my other suggestion would be to make the box slightly wider because there's that text there. Enter your credentials to access your student dashboard. Now, that's on two lines, which I think if you make it slightly bigger, it can be on one line. I don't know if it'll look better on one line or not, but I think if you increase the width slightly, then that can just be on one line instead of two lines. Like I said, it might be a case that it just looks better on two lines. I don't know, to be honest. And then there is the create account page. If I click on the drop down, I actually cannot see anything at all there. I don't know if you see it. I'll take a screenshot for you, and I'll show the screenshot because that doesn't actually show much. So I'll show it on stream. So if I click on the drop down box, this is what I see. So firstly, it's opening the drop down box to the top, but it looks like my page has enough space at the bottom to show it at the bottom. So in my opinion, it should open up at the bottom first, unless there isn't space, to be honest. But yeah, you can see that you can't actually see the drop down items. It's just, I don't know, I think they are actually there, I just can't see them. So yeah, the drop down is also broken there. I'm quickly testing the actual login, might as well. I'm busy creating an account now. For me, that part works. I'll do the wider block. Okay, sounds good. Ah, you have email confirmation, so I can't check that right now. I'll check it later. But yeah, that's basically my initial feedback so far. Hope that helps. I will actually log in a bit later. I haven't had time to log in and do a proper test yet. But that's the initial feedback on the login and the create account page. Hopefully it's helpful. Okay, okay. Don't like this. I don't like how the copy button looks. I've attached a screenshot of how it looks and I don't like it. Um, Firstly, the font color and the icon on the button should be the same. And then I think the button is too bright. It's a pleasure. What is your weekend plans, Adstar? Are you going to be working on your website? What is your plans with this website? Like, do you have a release date in mind? Oh, I didn't even know about this in my own framework. You can see I clearly haven't read these documentation from beginning to end yet. I didn't know about this because I didn't ask for this. Wasn't expecting people to be able to make their own routes. The idea is that it just goes into pages and that's it. So I guess it makes sense that someone might want their own route. Yeah, I will be improving this. It's already live. I have a few users, but there will be many, many more coming, I think. Okay, very cool. If I log in with Google, will I still need to do the email confirmation? Or can I skip that then? Let me test it actually. I just signed in with Google. Looks like I'm in. Yeah, I'm logged in. It looks good. I will give it some testing some time. Not right now, but so far it looks good. Like initial homepage view looks good once I'm in. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's a bit better for the copy button. Yeah, that's a bit better. I like that. I'm gonna say I don't like this one. Okay, I'm actually gonna keep the documentation the way it is for now. Not gonna bother changing it. I just need to make sure it is actually using the new library, the way the library is now working. It looks like it is. Perfect. There's a result.start. And how does the start the app look? Site header, site footer. Okay. Index. Pages. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I think we can publish it. I'll need to find my... Actually, I think I'll publish this off stream, because I think I'll need to generate a token again first. Now that I think about it. Mino, or men of yore. Hi, what are you building? How do you plan to promote your apps? Okay, so I'm building a lot of things, and we are close to releasing 4 different applications slash games. The ones we are going to be releasing in the next 2 weeks. The first one is an app that you can use to basically move a turtle on the screen using Delphi programming code. The idea of this one is to just have an app where people can learn and program Delphi. And this is because I live in South Africa and we have IT as a subject in high schools. And in there you learn to program using Delphi. So my hope is that this app will land into high schools and be given to children. I'm not expecting much money from this, so it's just something that I wanted to do personally. Then, because I'm using Linux and SteamOS, there isn't any good calculator on Linux. So the second app is the calculator. I've basically gone and built the Windows calculator and rebuilt it for Linux. And that's basically what you see here. Now, it does have extra cool things in like themes and different languages and all that. Like I could choose the terminal theme as an example. I'm not expecting to make much money from this either, but it's just something that I really needed to have. Okay, then we have a QR code generator. This one. So we have a QR code generator. And the plan here is to simply try and build the best QR code generator that I can possibly build. And my plan for promotion here is to basically eventually make some videos on it, content. But mostly I'm going to be looking for people who already use a QR code generator and try to convince them to use mine instead. So the plan is to like look at Reddit and Twitter and all those places and basically just try and find people who are talking about QR code generators or who are using it, and then try to convince them to try out mine instead. That's the plan here. So yeah. Then the fourth one that's going to be releasing in the next 2 weeks, hopefully, is a Tic Tac Toe game. I can't show that right now, but it's a Tic Tac Toe game. Nothing special about it, just normal Tic Tac Toe, but it is themed Linux and Tux. I'm not expecting to make much money from that. That's just something personal as well. Okay. Then to show you stuff that are not releasing very soon is we are busy building a genealogy and family tree website inspired by the look of Wikipedia. So this is basically that. Now we haven't done much on that just yet. We just started yesterday on building this. So we're still a while away from actually finishing the Genipedia website. Then I'm also planning to make a couple of other applications that is related to the QR code generator, such as a business card generator would be one of them, as an example, and many other. And that's basically the gist of it. Most of the things I'm currently working on, but I have many plans. It's not just this. We are going to be building lots and lots of stuff. Eventually, I also want to be building things that the people recommend in the chat. So let's say someone recommends, as an example, to build a calculator, as an example, right? Then I'll make a dedicated stream where I just spend time building that person's calculator. That's something I want to be doing as well in the future. Okay, man, I wish you luck. Awesome apps right there. Hopefully one will bring some cash. Yeah, I hope so. And thank you. I'm glad you like the calculator. And welcome to the stream. I think this is the first time I see you in the chat. So welcome. Thank you for joining. And right now I'm just busy fixing my framework. So I also built my own JavaScript routing framework. Basically similar to React, but just very lightweight and no dependencies like Node.js and all that. And so we were just going through it now to basically make sure that we are happy. And I think we are happy, so I'll continue on that later. So for now, I think let's do something on Genipedia. What do we start on? Oh yeah, so I spent like 4 hours this morning working on Genipedia. So it's a bit different than what it used to be yesterday. Wait, something has broken here. Oh no. Okay, wait, I gotta revert this. Revert that. Refresh. Okay. Whew. Let's click here. Let's do that. I'll take a screenshot. Well, actually, let me just do this, right? And I'll go GPT 5.4 and I'll say, can you please move Wang and Chen slightly higher? And then can you also swap Chen and Li? Because let's just say swap Chen and Li, that's it. Yeah, that's fine. So in the end, at the top, I want Wang and Li, actually. Let's send that. And then we go to my personal website. Okay, so I can see that the iframes are working again. Perfect. That's good to see. Why is not all of them are working, it seems. Okay, we gotta fix that still. Please make sure that all of the iframes are working and showing. Then also make sure that they're a bit zoomed out and showing in desktop mode. In desktop mode within the iframe. Okay, let's send that through. And then we'll head back to Genipedia. Okay, so it did now swap Chen and Li. Okay, I don't want any of the hovers to be like overlapping. So we need to fix some of these ones, right? Because these ones are currently overlapping. Okay. Okay, let's start there. We'll say here. I gotta move it higher. I think let's just do that. Move Wang and Li even more higher. Then also, I think you can increase the size of the middle logo. Okay, let's send that through. You'll see I've also started building some people pages. It's currently still empty, but I've built a full header component for that. And we'll soon build a... Oh, it messed it up, that I can see now. We need to fix it. And we'll also be building a full footer pretty soon. Okay, what did it do there, I wonder? Let's open up page 11. Oh, yeah, it messed up the header completely. Okay, we'll fix that shortly. Maybe I should just revert what this change did. Let's undo this, right? And then we reload this page. Okay, that's looking a bit better, I guess. Okay, I'll get back to it. Okay, I'll say here. Let's start at the top, right? I'll attach that. This is almost looking good, but not perfect just yet. Yeah, Wang and Li is actually outside of the container, as you can see there. Don't know why. Okay, let's just again go here. Please move Wang and Li even more higher. Come on. Okay, we haven't checked mobile responsiveness yet either, which we need to check. Okay, not too bad, but it needs to be better. Definitely not good enough yet on mobile. It's almost looking good, but still not high enough. Move Wang and Li even more higher. Still. Come on, hurry up. Okay, this is also still busy going. I've confirmed the scaled preview visually on the first live card. Oh no, what's it doing? Maybe we should build the card into a component, actually. Yeah, I think we should probably do that. That might be better, to be honest. This also doesn't look like an actual real component, but it's fine. Let's do this. iframe card. Okay. Please, can you build another component named iframe card and then reuse that component for all of the cards? So let's do that. Okay. Okay, that is better now, but now it's overlapping there. But it's looking better at least. How do I fix this? Let's just do this. On the GPT 5.4. Don't know I don't know what the best way is to do this. So I'll attach a photo and I'll say here that it looks like Wang and Li is outside of its container. Please fix this. Let's just say that. I think that might be good enough for now. I'll keep all of this. Actually, we should start a new chat. Let's start a brand new session with brand new context. We'll paste that in. Let's see what happens. Where's my water? I also need to look at all of these websites because some of them I haven't actually ever heard of. So, because AI added these ones for us. So I need to actually just make sure that what it added is actually something I do want to have advertised here. So I'm actually building a competitor for these ones, but I feel so confident in the fact that I think we can make something better than the competitors that I'm not even afraid of showing the competitors here. Like I want to show the people using the website that these are the competitors. Feel free to go and have a look, and then I want them to come back to me because my platform is just that good. That's what I hope here. Now we are still very far away from that, obviously, not even close yet. But I'm hoping over the long run we'll get there. No, it's messing this up now. Aye. Aye. Let's revert this. The positions of all of the surnames and logos should stay exactly the same, but it should all just be in the container. Let's try that again. At star saying, looking good, you are cooking. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much. I want to actually make an actual wiki page today as well, at least one. So I think the first one we're going to add is Elon Musk. Since he's been in the news lately so much, and his SpaceX is about to go IPO as well. So I think it makes sense to do Elon Musk first, also because he is from South Africa. I just think it makes the most sense to do him. Unless someone has any other suggestions for people we could use, then I'm also happy with that. So I'm going to try and recreate the popular Wikipedia style page. And yeah, that's the plan. We could do something. Let's just go here. I'll go copilot.microsoft.com. Let's do a test. What is the most popular Wikipedia page of a dead person? Let's see what Copilot says. I am a human indeed. Okay, so Copilot says what? Why devs in here pages dominate? Individual dead celebrities who ranked highly. Liam Payne. No. I want overall the most popular dead person ever on Wikipedia. Stream lagging a bit. Okay. I'll see what I can do. Okay, maybe I should close some stuff here. I don't know if it's my internet or the CPU, so let me close some stuff, right? Don't think we need this right now. Also, I'll just close it. And I'll close some other pages here as well. Pages I have open on the side. Okay. What else can I close here? I don't think we're going to be working on on some of these. So I think we could close some of them, like the agents app we can probably close right now. I've closed a few things. I don't know if it's going to help the stream. Let me know if the stream is any better now, please. Okay, okay. So here are some of the popular people according to it. Michael Jackson. What did you say? Yep, start with him and famous people's surnames, etc. Yeah. Let's think who else there is. We could start with a South African, actually. Should we do Nelson Mandela? Actually, let's think about this. Nelson Mandela. Video is jumpy, audio is fine. Okay. Let me see if I could maybe switch to a different Wi-Fi. Give me a second, let me see what I can do. Okay. I'm about to switch. No, but I don't think it's a Wi-Fi actually. I think it might just be my computer and not the Wi-Fi. Okay, wait. Let's see what else I can do. What else I can close here. Well, let's switch Wi-Fi and see if it helps. Let's do that first. So there's a big chance the stream might just end, but let's hope not. I'm gonna. Okay, we are back. Okay. Now the question is the stream still laggy or not? If it's still laggy, then it was obviously not the internet. Guessing. So tell me, is it still laggy or not? Let me close some more pages here, perhaps, as well. Close this, close this, close this. Let's close the QR code generator. I really don't have much open, to be honest, right now. But let's just close whatever we don't need to have open right now. Like so, okay. Now I've closed quite a few things. Let's close most of these as well. I'll close all those. Okay. Linear bit video jump. We are back, no lag. Okay. Tiny bit lag. Tiny bit video jump. Okay. I'll see if there's more stuff that I can close. So just give me a second. I'm sure there is some stuff I could close even more. All good, continue. Okay, sweet. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see if I can put the bitrate a bit higher again, because I did make the bitrate lower. I'm putting the bitrate higher again. Let's see if we are good on that. It looks like we are good so far. Let's continue like this for now. I'll refresh here. Okay, I still see the website's not loading. Aye. I validated the refactor over local HTTP. Okay, iframe card. Here we have it. Portfolio data. Okay, some stuff were removed there. Okay, shall we just say then, please use this card now for all of the um, cards, and make sure the websites are actually showing on the iframes. Okay, let's send that through. It looks like the Steam is stable. Let's see if I can put the bitrate slightly higher again. Sometimes when I am stuck this long, multiple models don't fix, then tell it to redo the whole section. Okay, that might be an idea. Browser. Okay, it looks like Wang. Let's refresh the page. Okay, it's still not. Okay, it looks like it did fix it. It is actually in the container now. Perfect, okay. So now we can select this and we'll say, look at the top of this container. It's overlapping with the mini header. Please make sure, or do I just say fix that and see what it does? Let's go GPT-5 mini. Oh, error again. I have not actually watched back any of my live streams. I haven't had time yet. It might be a good idea for me to watch back my own live streams as well. Just like see how the experience is of watching it. Oh, come on. Let's copy this. I'll make a brand new chat. I'll stop that. Go here. We'll say send that through. I'll select the container. Oh, the screenshot doesn't show Wang and Lee. What? I'm so confused. What? Why doesn't it show Wang and Lee? Okay, it's fine. What I'll just do here is I'll take a normal screenshot. I'll go GPT 5.4. Look at the attached image. The Wang and Lee surnames are overlapping with the mini header. Let's add some space between the two so that they're not overlapping. Okay, this one finished. Let's have a look. Okay, we are getting there, I guess. Okay. If this carries on, I think I will need to like just restart it. Okay. Why do I only see half of the web page website on the iframe. Please fix. Okay. Oh, it moved freaking Wang and Lee down again. Ah, why is it so difficult just to get this to work? Why does it keep moving Wang and Lee down? Just add space between these two. What's actually changing? Let's just have a look here. Central feature, border top, 5 rem solid transparent, margin minus 5 rem. Lang 18. What's this? Ah. No, don't move Wang and Lee down. I need the surnames to stay in the position it was. Just add space between the header and the surnames. Let's see if we can fix it fast. This morning started off so productive, and now since I started streaming, I've just been struggling. Ah, okay, that's better. That's much better. Let's see the actual change though. Okay. Go. Drop some likes, folks. Thank you, Ian. Let's see here. These add some more margins outside at the top and bottom of this container. Let's just do that perhaps and see what it says, what it does. I wish I could like a comment from here. Can I? No, it doesn't seem like it. Ian, I'm gonna use you as a guinea pig because I want to see what happens if I do put user in timeout. Is that okay if I do that? I'm here for it. Sweet. Let's give it a go. So put user in timeout. Oh, so then I can choose the time. Let's choose 10 seconds, right? 10 seconds. I go confirm. Okay, so what do you see, Ian? Message deleted. Oh! Deletes the messages? Why? Don't delete the messages. Hide user on this channel. Put user in timeout. Okay, how do I undelete your messages? Okay, well, welcome back, Ian. That's interesting. Nothing on my end. Okay. I'm gonna put you in a timeout again, and then tell me what it looks like when you try to message, right? So I'm gonna do put user in timeout. 1 minute. Okay, you're now in a timeout. Tell me what you see. But does it delete all of your messages? Oh, it deletes all of your messages, like even the ones before. Why does it do that, man? That's not cool. I feel like a timeout should not be deleting messages. Ian. Why does some things take so long to load in as well? Like, yeah, why does that... Hold on, I gotta figure this out as well. But first, let's add some more spacing. Add some more margins, top and bottom of it. Mining diamonds. Oh, it's gonna fail again now, isn't it? Yep, failed. That's just unfortunate. Wait, why is it failing, right? It says tool search is not supported with GPT-5 Mini. So what does that mean? If it's not supported, then why are you trying to do it? You know? Let's just say here. Or do I give it? I don't know what to do. I'll give it. You have been placed in timeout by the owner of this video, or a moderator. Edit and try again. This is what I see when trying to message. Drop likes, drop my sacrifice. I can't actually see how many likes the video has from like the YouTube streaming portal. Or can I? Oh, I can, yeah. 5 likes. Okay. 7 viewers but only 5 likes? Come on, guys. Drop some likes. That's just freaking broken the whole time. Let's go GPT 5.4 Mini and see if it works there. Okay, this one finished. Still not correct. I'm still only seeing half of the website in the iframe, as you can see by the attachment. Yeah, I've done so much changes that I don't really want to revert it, to be honest. Just due to how much I've done already. This is looking better, definitely much better. Let's do some other investigation here. Let's do this. I'll do GPT-5 Mini. When I refresh the page, or when I open this page, then the logo appears first, and a few seconds later the text appears. Why is this happening? Why is the text only appearing later? I want the text to also appear at the beginning. Let's choose GPT 5.4. On my side, it looked as if you had 2 likes until I refreshed YouTube. I see. Okay, while this problem is busy going. Oh, hold on. Thinking, okay, I'm gonna quickly go grab something to eat, then I'll be back. Unless that one is about to finish. The fix is in. Ah, the fix is in. Oh, it's working. It's working. Finally. I'll be back. I'm back. I went to go grab myself a cupcake. Remove all of the stuff. We don't have localization in the app yet. It's just UI right now. So remove all of that code. Let's do that. Alrighty. It looks like we finally got the iframes to be fixed again, which is good news. Why does it keep making freaking servers? Stop making a server. Can we add a... Hold on. What's changes here? Oh! It looks like the scrolling is fixed. Wait. We gotta test this for sure. It looks like the scrolling issue is fixed. Also, QR code is not showing yet. Need to fix that as well. Where are you from? I am from South Africa. What about you? Where are you from? Okay, let's do one more prompt here. We'll say the QR code iframe is still not showing the website. I'm from sunny South Africa. Okay, now it's done quite a few changes. Okay, so it's removing all of that, which is perfect. Removing all of that, which is good. And that. Yeah, I think this might be code it generated or copied from Wikipedia when we replicated it with the initial creation, perhaps. I definitely don't want in here. Wow, I'm from Indonesia. And are you related to Elon Musk? Good question. I don't know. But we could go check though. I will quickly check for you if I am related to Elon Musk. I can check this because I have a very extensive family tree built. And someone as famous as Elon Musk will most likely also have a very extensive one. So I can check if we are related actually. Most likely. Not confirmed, but I'll check right now. I see how you'd make that connection, a very smart young man. Elon Musk. Are you a programmer or a vibe coder only? Definitely not just a vibe coder. I'm also a programmer. But I will mostly be vibe coding all of my personal projects in these videos. But I have many years of experience before vibe coding and AI became a thing. So my internet is slow, so it's taking a while to look up the family tree stuff here. The page just doesn't want to load for me. But I have to look it up on the side. Otherwise I might share some stuff that should not be shared. Oh, come on. No, he is more than a vibe coder, he is a legend. Thank you, Adstar. You are the legend. Do you think AI coding will replace developers eventually, or is it just hype? I think that AI has already replaced developers in many companies, to be honest. So yeah, I don't think it's just hype. And that's also why I'm doing these videos, because I myself want to learn AI better and I want to be using AI better. Because I think if we as developers don't adapt and use AI, we will be left behind. I think it's very important to start using AI. Now, I don't think it's going to be a quick replace. I still think that we are going to be normal coding and still need developers for quite a long time, like 5 years or 10 years down the line. But I could be wrong. I mean, AI could possibly do it all in like a year from now or 2 years from now. We don't know. No one really knows at this point. Okay, well, I can't check for you the Elon Musk thing right now. Unfortunately. Okay, so it looks like I am related to Elon Musk. Not that far as well. I'll show shortly. I just want to blur some of my stuff, and then I will show you. Okay, here we go. I will show you. So Elon Musk is my fifth cousin. Here's me, and then this is one of my parents, then one of my grandparents, one of my great great grandparents, and then one of my great 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 grandparents. And this person here who's blurred out is actually his wife, who built the house I'm currently living on. So all of these generation of people here lived in this house that I'm currently in. But then if you check here, her mother, her brother, his son, his daughter eventually get to Elon Musk. So yeah, we are actually related. Not too far behind as well. I can actually check. Give me 1 second. I'll do something interesting here. Okay, I see. Okay, so Elon Musk and myself, we have the same uh, fourth great grandfather. And that's how we are related. This person here. So Jacob Tron is my fourth great grandfather as well as Elon Musk's. That's basically how we are related directly via this person. That's it. I highly doubt that. No, he's more than a vibe coder. Okay. Thank you for answering my questions. I'm trying to learn to program, but my teachers say it's going to be useless and only use AI. I don't think knowing to program is useless. It does help. If you do vibe coding and AI, it helps to know how the code works as well. Yeah. Well, I also did not know until I checked, But now I know. Like I said, I have a fairly extensive like family tree build. My family has like somewhat kept record of children of children of children of children over the years. So we have a fairly extensive family tree, and therefore I was able to connect it to Elon Musk because he's famous. So his family tree is also obviously quite extensive. Okay, let's see, let's see. Okay, yeah, this page loads a lot better now. That's looking good. Let's keep this. Okay. Terms of use, looking good. Privacy policy, looking good. Okay. I think I now need to... Oh, this is fixed. The light mode didn't look good earlier, but I see it is fixed now. I did specifically try to fix it, but it looks like between all the prompts, it also fixed the light mode. That's nice. Does this look fixed? Ah, this is also fixed. Very nice. Okay. So these are the languages that I'm planning to add to the website as well. We'll be supporting all of these ones eventually. Not right now, but that is the plan to eventually support these. Okay. Um, I think the search box needs a placeholder. Uh, add some placeholder text for the search box. Okay, I need to improve the mobile UI as well. I don't like the way it currently looks on mobile. So if we go to mobile, I'm happy with the search box being at the top, but I want this to be in like a grid view, and this logo can move next to this here, I think. Let's go to assets, and we'll go... Oh, we don't need Genie logo here anymore. It's supposed to be in here. Genie, there it is. Okay, let me delete this one. Delete. Okay, this is an old one. We can delete that one. Delete. That we can delete. That we can delete. A logo that we can also delete. Oh, here's where it gets that from. Okay, I'm gonna delete this though. Don't need that. We can use. Don't need that. Okay, let's see what is now broken. Okay, I see a few things are broken. um, Not too bad though. Search Genipedia. I like that. I like that. Okay. Uh, please use bootstrap icons and add a search icon for the search button. Also make the placeholder text say search Genipedia ... Um, let's start by doing that. Why vibe code on Steam Deck and not PC? Because why not? I like my Steam Deck. I actually first thought about vibe coding on my phone. That was the initial plan for the videos, because I have a Samsung Galaxy Fold, so I was thinking that I would boot into Samsung DeX mode and then basically vibe code from that. But then eventually I switched to the Steam Deck. I actually worked for 2 years only on my phone. 2018 and like half of 2017 and half of 2019. I actually exclusively programmed and worked from my phone. I was building PHP websites and WordPress websites, and we were using MySQL. And yeah, for 2 years I was working and programming just from my phone. And I still had a computer, but I just preferred my phone. I like the idea of having one device for everything. I don't want to have multiple devices, and therefore the idea of a phone for everything is very appealing to me. Because I can basically come sit at my desk, I can plug in my Type-C hub into my phone, and I'll have my full workstation ready to be used. And if I want to go somewhere, I just plug it out and I go. And all of my stuff is just on my phone, ready to be used. And the Steam Deck is quite similar to that. It's also small. Now, if I use the Steam Deck, I still need a phone, of course. So having a Steam Deck is not the perfect solution. I'm hoping that in the future, I can jump back to a phone and use that again. Will you also develop games? Yes, I will also develop games. We are actually releasing a game on Steam in the next 2-3 weeks. Probably closer to 3 weeks than 2 weeks, to be honest. Because the store page needs to be live for at least 2-3 weeks before you can actually release. Okay, let me rephrase. We will be having the store page live for the game in the next week or so, hopefully. That's amazing. You should show that phone setup. I do have a video on YouTube about it. I will show you or try to find it. Let's go here. Sean Roselt Samsung DeX setup. Why so many teeth videos? Okay. So somewhere here, I will have a setup video. Here we go. That's not really the setup video. Give me a second. I'm sure I'll find it somewhere. Here we go. There we go. This is 2018 though. So this was on my Galaxy S9 Plus. So by then, I think shortly after this, I had a better phone and a better setup. But I will show the setup somewhere here. This is such. Here we go. Okay, so this was kind of my. Okay, so this was at the time where my phone wasn't yet my primary device, and I was still using my laptop for many things as well. So I had two different setups. But you can see here I have the screen, I've got the speakers, a controller, keyboard, I have a mouse, headset, as well as an external hard drive somewhere. And then here's the phone. And all of this was plugged into the phone. And then somewhere here, I had my browser and VS Code. So back in the day, you could actually load up full Linux if you had a Samsung device. So I could actually load up Ubuntu right here. They had something that was called, I'll show you now. Now this doesn't exist anymore. But back in the day, you had something called Linux on DeX. But you can see here, Samsung Linux on DeX is dead. Here are open source. So back in the day, you basically plug your phone into your Type-C hub to load up your monitor or whatever. And then you basically boot into full Ubuntu from your phone. It was very cool. Let's find some screenshots maybe. Yeah, here it is basically. Yeah, so basically plug in your phone into a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and then you get full Ubuntu, and you can do whatever you want to just from your phone. That's amazing. You should show the phone setup. Stop glazing him. Ooh la. Yeah, Samsung DeX was very cool back in the day when it had the Linux on DeX. Samsung DeX is still very cool. Don't get me wrong. I still love Samsung DeX. Just the ability to plug in your phone, use a keyboard, mouse, monitor as a normal computer is super nice. Um, like if I travel anywhere, I don't take my computer. I just take my phone, and wherever I go, I just plug it in, and they have my full setup working. So it's definitely nice. Okay, let's do this again. The placeholder text color makes it look like it's normal text. Make it look more like it's actually a placeholder text. Adstar, I feel like you're part of some organization. Really, what org you think? But which country? Wow, are you a computer engineer? I am a programmer. I have been working as a programmer since 2015. I swear TPO God if T1. How do you feel today, by the way, Delphi fan? After your stuff yesterday? So Redrun, what frameworks or languages are you currently busy learning? Because you said you are busy learning programming, right? But your teacher says use AI. So currently, what are you learning? Is Russia. My head hurts, but the one in my armpit, no pain. Okay. Uh, what? Uh, the the font color should be a bit more gray, I think. Yes, I am learning Python right now since it's easy to understand. Okay, very cool. Have you built anything cool in Python yet? And are you learning like just Python backend or Python web development or Python app development or Python data science? What kind of Python work are you currently learning or doing? Or what do you want to do in Python? Python is for noobs. I learned that at age 6 in kindergarten. Python is the best. Almost the best. I have almost zero hate for Python. Python is a very good language. I'm 13. Nice. Yes, I built a pizza making robot, but only makes two pizzas, biltong and parmesan. No, but soon, and I want to learn data science. Okay, very cool. My knowledge of data science is not great. I think data science programming is the field I have the least experience in when it comes to programming. Probably not. There's probably some weird niche ones that I have even least experience in. Like people writing bare assembly was for something specific, probably. Okay. I don't like it. Not like this hover here. Not nice. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna keep it for now, but I don't like it. Okay. With the attached button, please use a translation or language icon on the left from bootstrap icons, and then a arrow down icon on the right. Let's send that through. Oh, it made all of my text gray everywhere. What prompt was this? This prompt. That's the prompt that did it. No, hold on. This stupid prompt changed my text color. No, it didn't. Where did it change then? I could have sworn it wasn't white. I mean gray. Or was it? Man, I don't even know. Fine, I'll just say here. Also with the attached button, please use translation. Okay, let's send that. I'll do GPT 5.4. Okay, I whoop it every day. You think you can make a Pegasus virus? I don't understand why it's so impossible to reverse engineer. Do you have a team working with you or are you solo? I'm just solo. I've got my team of 50 AI agents. Like he said. Pays them ones and zeros. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just a solo developer. There's no team. It's just me making some cool stuff. I do have my wonderful wife who does help sometimes. But it's mostly just me. Adstar, when did you start programming? Was it in grade 10 with IT? Or were you also programming before that? Okay. Uh, make the um, give the button some extra padding on all sides. Give the attached Okay, let's start going to mobile view, I think. Wait, this X must not be here. Okay, let's fix the X first. Um, the X in the... Oh, it's failing again. Why do I keep getting this? Give the dash button some extra padding on all sides. Bro, I want my biltong and 2 chicken maize sandwiches and my orange Red Bull. I must go now. My internet has run out. I will see you another time, Sean. Thank you very much, Redran. Thanks for joining, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye. Let's try Raptor Mini and see if Raptor Mini works. The GPT Mini is just struggling here. Looks like Raptor Mini is also failing. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's try GPT-5 Mini, GPT 5.4 Mini. Okay, so GPT 5.4 Mini is working. I don't know why GPT-5 Mini just doesn't want to work. Ian, if you are still in the chat, can you test for me if GPT-5 Mini is working your side and Raptor Mini if it's working for you? I'm getting regular fails on it. Like, can you do some random stuff with it and just see if it works for you? Okay. Also add some more padding to the use in your language button with the attached search button. Anyway, Sean, I have to go to my internet halfway finished and I need to do my assignments. Sweet. Cheerio. Good luck. Thanks for joining. I'm most likely jumping off in like the next hour as well, I think. I'm basically just live until my son wakes up, which might be within the next hour. Normally he wakes up between 1 and 2. And then I have to go give him a bath. I know I'm spending so much time just on the homepage, but I am sometimes a bit of like a perfectionist and I want it to be perfect. I know I could have like made so much more progress if I just worked on other stuff, but I do tend to want to have it exactly the way I want it to be. So I spend time on little things the whole time. It is somewhat of a bad habit as well, I think. But yeah. The X in the search box when you type should be on the most should be right aligned and not be in the middle of the box. Stupid keyboard also doesn't always work. And the X in the X icon in the search box when you type should be right aligned and not be in the middle of the box. Let's say that. While making you a martini and 1 kilogram steak. Them good old days. Them good old days indeed, Delphi fan. Indeed. Let me turn the light on. Oh, I was muted the whole time. I just realized I had this here. Bro's got the Jewish Coke. The yellow cap says it all. The yellow cap. Okay, let's work a bit here. The QR code generator is still not showing. And maybe I should give it the URL that I should be using. That might help it. So let me try and do that. We'll do that. We'll choose. Wait, let's just exit here. Refresh here. We'll select this one. Trying to select it. I think I selected it. Yeah. The QR code generator in the apps page is still not showing the iframe. Please make sure it's showing this. Yeah, let's send it. It's more healthier. The kosher Coke, it has corn syrup. Okay. I don't drink cool drink for any. Like, I don't care whether it's healthy or not. I just drink whatever I want to drink. There's no, like, influence depending on how healthy it is. It doesn't bother me. Oh, Delphi fan, you just reminded me. I still have to check out that documents for you. I almost forgot. I have read through it already, and I'm happy. Okay, it's still not perfect, but it is better. I'm gonna leave it as is for now. Okay, let's increase this a bit more. Actually, it's fine. I'm happy with it for now. Let's move the chat or the files like so. Then you guys can see a bit more of the actual website. Okay. I think I'm at the point where I want to start on an actual page. I have to go now, write an 8,000 word thing. Just give it to AI, man. And then you're done. You're ready. Why waste time writing it when AI can write it, you know? Okay, I think I need to fix the full header right now. Yeah. So let's go to Wikipedia, right? I think we'll do Nelson Mandela first as well. Just cause why not? Do we know who his parents were? Spouses, children, relatives, Mandela family. Current head, Mandela. This is not super useful. Let me see if there's a Genie page for it. Genie.com, Nelson Mandela. Sean. Research and AI don't work. I've tried this year and last year, both failed. Wait, don't do Mandela stuff right now. Why not? Then who should I do? Recommend someone to me. I want to do someone in South Africa as the first one. And preferably someone who has passed away already and someone who is famous as well. I got a surprise for you. What's the surprise? Cyril, I guess. No, not Cyril. Cyril's still alive. I want someone who has passed away already. And that's why I thought about Nelson Mandela. I was gonna do Elon Musk first. Um, but then I figured let's do someone who has passed away instead. Look at your phone. I don't want to look at my phone. My phone is far away. But I'll do so. I know about the new coin. You'll see I have it already. I I bought the coin last night. No, so I didn't. I bought the coin 2 nights ago. Yeah. Two nights ago I bought the coin already. So I have it. Steve Biko. I don't even know who Steve Biko is, but I'll go look him up. Steve Biko. Okay. Oh, he died a long time ago. Bantu Stefan Biko was a South African anti-apartheid activist, ideologically an African nationalist and African socialist. He was at the forefront of a grassroots anti-apartheid campaign known as the Black Consciousness Movement. Yeah, he might be a good candidate to do. The question is, how much can I find on him in terms of family? Looks like quite a bit. Okay, he might work. He might work. I don't know enough about him, but he might be an option. Wait, don't do him. Then who do I do? I'm not speaking about the damn coin. Then what are you speaking about? Well, while we figure out who to do, at least in the meantime I can start and fix some issues. So let's go to Nelson Mandela's page and we'll select this header. Select that. And I'll say that my full header.js component does not look correct. It needs to look exactly like the attached header. Please make sure that it does. Wait, don't do him. Is it you calling me now, Mish? Better not be you, man. It is you, fool. I will put you on a timeout in the chat. Don't call me. I will block you. Jan Blokos, I like that. Okay. Let me see what I can find on Jan Blokos. Jan Blokos. I forgot what his name is actually. But we'll figure it out right now. There we go. John Duplessis. Okay, there isn't much about his family currently on the internet, meaning that doing him is not going to be easy. Hey Gordon, happy birthday! Early stream today. Enjoy the show, everyone. How's your birthday been so far, Gordon? Full footer. Full. Let's do this one as well. Please recreate this exact footer as a component in the components slash full footer.js folder. It needs to look exactly the same. Yeah, we'll change the wording later. Let's just do it exactly the same for now. Add to queue. I will be back in a bit. Sounds good. Happy birthday. Where's my cake? So Gordon, it's an early stream, but it's going to be a short stream. I am most likely just going to be streaming for like an hour more and then go offline. There is a chance I might stream for even longer, but I think it won't be that much longer than an hour if it goes longer. I'm basically just streaming while my kid is sleeping. Once he wakes up, then I'm going to jump off stream because we have to go give him a bath and we have some plans tonight as well. It's been good going out now for fish and chips. Got my first braai stand with a braai utensil set and a lacquer coat for my peaky blinder look. Nice. Don't know what peaky blinder look means, but cool. Let's go to my personal website and see if it. Oh, okay, so I did fix the QR code generator, but it's using the wrong link. It's not supposed to use that link. Are you sure the QR code generator on the apps page is using the correct link? It should be. I've got a feeling it's the wrong link. Okay. How many braais you have on your B-day? I prefer the butcher look from the boys. Let me Google that. Peaky blinder look. Oh, now I get it. I have not seen that show yet, unfortunately. But I do very much want to see it. Also got a new keyboard slash mouse. Matte. My old one was worn out. I don't even have one right now. I'm just using the bed table. So I also need to get one at some point again. This table is also very old that I'm currently using, so it has a bunch of holes and stuff in it. So quite often when I move my mouse around, like it like moves the mouse different places where I'm actually trying to move it. And sometimes on some places it doesn't even like move anymore. Like here, the mouse is like not being controlled properly. And like here, it would just sometimes disconnect. Not disconnect, but doesn't like actually register properly. Somewhere here. So yeah. Everyone is watching The Boys, man. I must get into that show. It's a good show. I definitely recommend it. It's a bit violent, but good show. No, it's still loading the wrong website. Why? Why? Okay, it's fine for now. Oh, the scrolling is back, isn't it? I don't know. Go to websites. Well, let's just test it a bit, right? So if I go to the website, what's happening here? Huh? It went back to the home page. Doesn't make sense. Okay. Oh, something is not working correctly here. When I go to the websites page, then shortly after that, it automatically redirects me to the home page. Why? Don't do that. It ended 2 days ago. Okay. So it looks like it finished the header. So let me test the header. Okay. Not exactly what I had in mind, to be honest. But I think it's okay. So we're on 80%, right? And this one is on what? Also 80%. So this one's way too small then. Yeah, it's way too small. Also doesn't work. Okay, rough start, but we'll get it fixed. Anyways, I'm going now for real. Bye all. Cheerio, Delphi fan. There's so much cake Delo here. Here's a slice for you. Damn Sean, you need to get better emojis on this chat, please. I don't even know how, man. I don't even know how. I got no idea. How do I now go away? How do I freaking minimize this? No, now I'm just stuck with this. How do I like physically go away from these emojis? There's like no clear way how to actually get rid of this thing here. This is so stupid. Hello? How do I... Escape doesn't do anything, right? So... Come on. Okay. I can send feedback, I guess. Can't hide or take away the emojis once I open it. Fix your shit. We'll take a screenshot, sure. And then I'll send the feedback. Why not? Okay, feedback sent. I still can't close it. That's so stupid. Oh, there we go. Close. Ah, okay. That's not a nice way to close it. Bye bye, Sean. Check up on you later if you will be online again. Cheers, all. Cheerio, Mr. Gordon. See you later, possibly. Enjoy your birthday. You know, Gordon, you could always leave. You can always leave the stream open for that good watch time. Anyway, enjoy your birthday. This is way too small, I think. My opinion. The header and footer is way too small. It should basically look and work exactly like the one on this website. I want 100% parity with how that one looks and works. Please do that in the full. Yeah, let's just say that. Now let's let it cook. Hopefully that works then. I am back. Okay. I am keeping stream open. I am watching rugby on TV. Ah, nice. Who's playing? Okay, so it did some stuff here. Let's see if it's actually fixed though. If I go to websites, okay, it doesn't redirect me, which is good. Oh, it does. It does still redirect me. No. Yeah. It's still not fixed. The website's page, after a few seconds, takes me back to the home page. Home page on the About section. It's school rugby, can't say. Ah, I see. No problem. Growing up, I always enjoyed playing rugby, but watching rugby for me is boring. I don't enjoy watching rugby that much. And then for chess, it's the opposite. For chess, I don't like playing chess that much, but I like watching chess. And then for track and field, it's different again. For track and field, I like watching it and I like doing it. So it's quite interesting. It's quite smart. It's quite smart, the AI. So it's actually gonna like pull the actual CSS and stuff from Wikipedia, and then change it to fit into my like structure here. So it's quite smart, and thus it will look exactly like WordPress or close. It won't be exact. There might be differences, but pretty smart the way it's doing it. I've got the fresh tabs. Let's go. We got 13 viewers. Welcome everybody. Do we have any vibe coders? Anyone building any cool projects that is currently watching the video or the live stream? And we got 13 viewers. I think the most people we've had watch the stream at the same time is, I think it was 18 people. So we are close to like beating that actually. I'm a bot. Welcome bot. I think the most people we've had watch the stream was 18 if I remember correctly. But usually we have less than 10. At least what my YouTube Studio shows. Because I've seen that what I see in YouTube Studio doesn't always match what the viewers are seeing when they open it. So as example, mine could show 13, but there might only be 8 showing for those watching as an example. It looks like this finished. Let's test it. I go to websites. Okay. That does look like it's working now. What are you looking for from me? Hello? That's not my website. I'm really struggling with this section for some reason. Oh, I did it again. Oh, why? I'll choose a different model and say it's still taking me back to the home page when I go to the websites page and try to use it. Fix it. Okay, let's try Sonnet. No ways, me too, guys. I am a bot too. Bot gang. I feel proud to be a bot today. Nice, nice. Make our voices heard, bots. We could try and add our own bot into this thing. So if where can I do this? Let's do it in the new chat. So I'll go new empty window. Watch me cook here. So I go sign in, continue with GitHub. Then I'll log into my account. Okay, we're gonna wait a bit. My internet seems to be slow again. Are we lagging? Let me just check that out. It doesn't seem like we are lagging. Oh, I just closed the page I had open. Okay, well now I'm done. I'm not gonna make my own bot. I was gonna try and make my own bot quickly, but now I'm not keen anymore. Okay, this is how it looks so far. Oh, there it's broken. There it's fixed again. Okay, let's just test it a bit. Yeah, it's not perfect yet. I'm querying the live Wikipedia DOM directly for active classes and computed colors now. Keep Linux bots out, nice chat. Should I actually ask it to just pull the entire page? Because then we'll have other things as well, which we will eventually use. No, don't want to do that. Let's not do that just yet. Let's not go crazy. Not diversity is our greatest weakness. Listen, stop doing Mandela. I haven't decided on who to do yet. I'm just making a page right now. I know you saw the WhatsApps, so why are you still doing it? I don't know what you are saying, but I have not checked your WhatsApps yet. At least not all of it. But if I want to do Mandela, then I'll do Mandela. Can we do Trump? No. No. I want to do someone South African. And someone who has already passed away. Right now it's between Nelson Mandela and Steve Biko. Those are the two ones. I don't know much about Steve Biko, to be honest. Someone just recommended him. No, I'm not gonna do Jacob Zuma. Needs to be someone who has passed away already. How about someone called Ruth? I'm gonna say no for now. I don't know who that is. Okay. Now it's starting to look like something. Now it's definitely starting to look like something. Something we can work with. Bro, some of the most expensive streets named after her. I don't know any streets. I don't care about street names. I just type into Google Maps where I want to go and then I get there. Don't care about what the name of a street is. Also, in South Africa, the names of the streets they change so often. There's no point in learning them. Where I grew up, I knew so many street names, and now today, almost none of them have the same name still. Almost all of them have different names now. So what's the point of learning a street name if it's just gonna change anyway? I need it to load offline with no dependency. All of the yeah, let's just say that. Uh, let's just go back to Mandela family. We'll go back to Nelson Mandela and we'll choose the wide one. Also make sure we have the appearance sidebar working in the full header.js component. Okay, let's send that through. Your wife can vote because of her Mandela stuff we do privately. Oh my god, this effing guy. I haven't decided who to make yet, Gordon. I mean, Delphi fan. No one has been decided yet. Right now, I'm just focusing on getting the header and the footer to basically match. The actual page content doesn't matter yet. I'm not at the point where I can even put in a page content yet. I'm hoping to have it ready today, but haven't actually done any one yet. And I would say the chances are pretty high, considering that yesterday I made the homepage, so today would be the next person page. Oliver Tambo. Or Tambo. Oliver Tambo Airport. Oliver Tambo. I know nothing about this guy, so I need to actually look him up. I just know the airport that was named after him. Okay, he was a South African anti-apartheid politician and activist who served as president of the ANC from that to that. Succeeded by Thabo Mbeki, exiled to London. Okay. We could also do Thabo Mbeki. He was the founder of the ANC. Ain't no way this man knows. Bro, I have not been in school for many years. I do not remember any of those history lessons. Okay, let's check if this is fixed now finally. So I'll close all of these ones, right? Close to the right. I go to websites. Let's see what happens. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. Looking good. Okay, both are now fixed. Okay. The page stays on websites the full 10 seconds after the fix. The root cause was get iframe sandbox value was dropping the sandbox for every cross origin frame, leaving those frames free to call window.top.location. Sites with the iframe busting code, including the Academy, Griekwastad or sites that use Roselt.js, were then redirecting the parent page on load. The src doc proxy iframes had the same problem. No sandbox means the injected remote HTML could also navigate. I see. Okay. Both are now fixed. Oh, that might be why we get the scroll issue as well. Because these ones are not being sandboxed. Okay. Cross origin sandbox stripping removed. Okay. All iframes keep the declared sandbox value. Okay. Okay. It does look like the redirect is fixed, which is good. We go to apps. Okay, go back to websites. I don't know why he such an unmemorable man. I always mistake him for Zempresi. Ah, I'm wait here till I go take my meds. Sounds good. Okay, I think I'm happy with what I have here so long. It's a bit buggy still. It does still kind of take over my scroll a bit, but it's fine. Why does these buttons change when I navigate here? Sean, I must show you some cool vids. Sounds good to me. You can show me some cool vids. Let's just say here, I'll go GPT-5 mini. Is there any code? Like, let's start a brand new chat here as well. Is there any code that changes the size of these buttons? Because when, let's just say that they just, fine, I don't want to say too much info. Let's just ask that. Okay, this one's still busy going as well. Oh. Okay. Okay. While this is busy going, maybe do Modella stuff, I don't know, but wait till the second Mish is here. Sure. I'm quickly gonna head out. I'll be back shortly. I am back. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm tracing the button styles from the showcase markup. I found a likely styling surface. I'm checking the stage. Okay, I have the relevant. Yes, the size is being changed in CSS, not in the HTML markup itself. The base button styles in set padding and font size, but the showcase specific rule explicitly forces the icon button to width. There's also a compact override that shrinks them to the JavaScript only adds button classes. Okay. I don't want anything to change the size of it. Let's send that through. Okay, this one is still busy going. Site header. Mish? With second Mish, do you mean Michelle? Michelle. Okay, that's looking better now. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, okay. Yes. Sweet. Oh, this calculator is broken again. Doesn't load. Ah, no way. That's broken again. Ah. Her name's actually Michelle. Sure. I'll believe it when I see it. Libraries. Okay. I'm still not happy with this, but I'm gonna make live what we have so long. But I'm not happy. So let me... Wait, let me just test the search, right? If I do Roselt, it doesn't work. Let's do Delphi. Because it does work. So why is it finding Roselt when I search for this? I don't understand. Let's ask the question, right? Let's do it like so. I'll take a screenshot here. Why am I seeing QR code generator when searching for Roselt? Let's do that. I'll go GPT-5 mini. Okay, this finally finished. Let's have a look. Oh, this does not look nice. Oh no. Okay. Does this work though? Okay. No. The header doesn't look or work correctly. Please make sure it works and looks exactly like the WordPress one on this page. Let me share the page also. I think that might be good. So I'm sharing the page. Okay. Let's see if it can make it better. Hopefully it can. Main content. Okay, sure. So where's the header? Oh, there's the header. I'm checking the search and data source that feeds the portfolio cards so I can pinpoint why Roselt returns QR code generator. Okay, sweet. You do that. You do that. Maybe in the meantime, I should. No. Okay, never mind. Let's just wait here. Delphi fan, what's his surname again? Did you say? Okay. If you want, I can change the search so it only matches names, summary, and tags. Oh, it's searching for URLs. Ah, yeah. Yes, ignore URLs. Derek is middle or something. Look at your phone again while we wait. Okay, I'll go look shortly. Why was this message redacted? What the hell did you say there that got redacted? That's suspicious. I'll go check my phone shortly. Let me go check. Yeah, I'm looking. Yeah, I'm not looking anymore. I'm quickly looking at something else. Just give me a second. I'm not checking yet. Give me a second. Yeah, I'm looking now. You're talking about the coin. I got the coin. Okay, I'm checking. Okay, I see what you are saying now. Okay, sounds good, Mish. We can definitely chat about it. Bro, sky gazing again. Yeah. Okay, so now the search is working the way I'm expecting it to work. Perfect. Okay, this portfolio section doesn't make sense to have anymore here, but I'm going to keep it for now. Like I want to commit what I have right now. Let's just say work in progress, new portfolio section. Let's just say that section. I'll commit that, and then I'm going to start on some major changes. So, I want each component to be an actual HTML web component. Please make that changes happen. Okay. let's do it. I'll send that through. So within the components folder should be each component and not subfolders. I'm going to send that through. Currently, it's not actual components that it made here. It's just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you know. But I want it to be an actual component. It says I am lagging. Why am I lagging? Is it because I moved the phone? Guessing it might be that. Let me put my bitrate slightly lower for now. Oh, now it's creating a whole page for me. I guess it's fine. Let it continue for now. Are we lagging? Delphi fan? Are we lagging? As far as you can see? Or how is it? Because both YouTube and OBS is telling me that we are lagging. The ad star says looking nice. What's looking nice? The website, or are we lagging? That's looking nice. Meaning it's not lagging. Yeah, the video now and again. Okay, that's not nice. Okay. Let me try and see if I can stop it from lagging. I think it's lagging now because I moved my phone. So let's maybe put the bitrate lower again. Someday we'll have better internet. Just not today, fortunately. Yeah, I've put the bitrate even lower. Let's hope it gets better. Okay. Yeah, some lag time to time. Okay. Build the lifestyle lead section directly under the header. Add a Wikipedia. Yeah, it doesn't look exactly like Wikipedia yet either. Let's just do this, right? The header still does not look exactly like the Wikipedia one. Please make sure it looks exactly like Wikipedia. You can build a page for Cron result for testing. Okay, let's send that through. I'm gonna go play World War Z. This freaking uni making me do 8,000 words for Monday is crazy while I have multiple flesh eating injections. Oh wow, Sherlock, you wouldn't say. Someday the thieves will die. I don't mean just the trees. Eventually, we'll get Starlink. I hope. That's the plan. I'm glad you are here. The gap is now in the top itself, not surrounding page Chrome. I'm using the live header structure and computed layout so you attach to tighten the local header CSS to the same grid sizing spacing. Sure. I honestly don't care what you do as long as it's looking exactly the same. I don't think Starlink is gay. I'm a big fan of Starlink. I can't wait to get it myself. But I don't want to have to import it. So I'm just gonna wait. My one brother is currently using Starlink and it's working really well for him. So I'm pretty keen to get it myself. But I'm gonna wait. I don't want to have to import it to use it. Cheers, Edstar. Enjoy your game. He's talking about a rugby game. He's watching rugby on the TV. Let me see how much I have left here in terms of requests. So I have 20% left, right? So how much days is that? 20%. Let's say I use 4% per day. 4%. No, wait. 20 divided. Oh man. Oh man. 20 divided by 4. Then we get 5 days. Okay. 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Until Thursday. Then we won't have any more usage left. Okay, but it's fine. We'll definitely go through this month. It'll be fine. It's the next month I'm worried about because next month the prices go up and next month there won't be a free option. So I won't have GPT-5 Mini or Raptor Mini, which is a bit worrisome, to be honest. Pin model, what is that? What does pin model do? Oh, it pins it. Oh, that's pretty cool. So in that case, let me pin GPT-5 Mini, this one, and that one. Oh, nice. Now I have them ready to be used whenever I want. That's freaking useful. Okay, that is cool indeed. Yeah, I like this new pin thing. That's nice. Sweet, I am back, everybody! And I'm still busy going. And OBS is telling me again that we are lagging. Come on, man. Why no talking? No code, no talking was focusing. I am busy researching my next website already. So, because GitHub Copilot will not have any free options from next month, I'm kind of rushing to do as much as I can in the next week using these free models here. So, in the next week, I might be starting a bunch of new projects just so that I can basically utilize the free models as much as I can. So I'm just researching my next project. My next project is something that we spoke about already before, you and me, Delphi fan. The one that relies on the QR code generator. So I'm trying to find a way how I can kind of combine three different projects. And so the QR code generator and the Genipedia and another future one will all be somewhat related and complement each other. That's kind of what I'm going for here. Yeah, this thing is just awful. Why is it not doing it correctly? Ah. So I just started to make an entire page, right? I think I should just do that. Yeah, let's maybe do that. I'll go 11. Uh, Actually, just recreate the exact page on 11.html for. I'm gonna do Mandela now though. For Nelson Mandela. Just recreate the exact page on 11.html of Nelson Mandela. Grab the exact code and everything from that page and have 11.html look and work exactly the same. I think AI will become a paid only option in the future for almost every company except Google's Gemini. I don't know. Grab the exact code and everything from that page. I'm using Mandela because I think Mandela is a good choice. That's why, essentially. Because he's dead, he's South African, and he has a good reputation. Therefore, I want to use him. Grab the, well, I guess mostly good reputation. I'm sure there are bad stuff. I don't know him good enough to really know. But, yeah. Grab the exact code and everything from that page and have 11.html look and work exactly the same. It must be a 1-to-1 exact 100% parity. But Sean, you saw the messages. Yes, I saw the messages. And I don't see how this affects the messages. I am not building an AI here. I'm building a genealogy website. Parity version matched. There must be no dependencies. All must work offline and in our project. Should we do a GPT 5.5 test on this? Maybe we should. Let's pin it also. Huh? My previous pinned items are gone. Well, that's fantastic. Let's do... Bro, we could probably use that as well. This is a public facing page. So yeah. There must be no dependencies. All must work offline and in our project. Let's test our GPT 5.5. Don't stop until that page matches exactly all matches exactly in terms of look and but this is actually a very long page. Maybe we should do someone shorter that doesn't have such a long page. Now exactly in terms of look and uh, layout and sizing and everything. Yeah, let's give GPT 5.5 a go and see how it does. Why do I like giving out free stuff? I don't know. So this isn't going to be free forever. Eventually I will be charging money for what I'm building here. It's just free for now. It's free while I'm building it. If that makes sense. Like, looks like this thing finished. Let's check out the components. Is it actual components though? That's the question. It does look like it is. Very nice. Okay. I don't want CSS files for the components. I don't think Mish can come right now. I think she in meetings today. No problem. I will be online again tonight. Maybe, actually. I don't know exactly because I do have plans. But there's a chance that I might be online tonight again. If not tonight, then definitely tomorrow sometime. I don't want CSS files for the components. It should all be in the JS file. Let's do GPT 5.4 mini and we'll send that. I don't want these either, to be honest. Also, why do we have a footer.js and header.js here? Should that code not also be within the component files? Okay, let's send that through. I'm busy all after now cause I have big hand in. No problem. OBS is telling me once again that we are lagging. But it doesn't seem like we are though. I hate it when it uses this freaking thing here. Let's tell it here. Do I just do a find and replace? Okay, yeah. Don't use anywhere on the website. Use something else or change the wording to not use that. Okay, yada yada yada. You can see stuff happening. We got the custom components. That's nice. Very cool. Okay, then there's something else. We have these pop-ups happening. Like that's a bad example to show. Or we don't have the pop-ups anymore. Used to have it. Right click here. Oh, the pop-up is gone. What? When did we lose the pop-up? Okay, we used to have pop-ups here. Darn it. Okay, we should add the pop-up. We should add the pop-ups back. Let's just say here, if any of these buttons don't have a link yet, then do a custom pop-up dialog that basically says coming soon, and that we are working just coming soon. Yeah. I was gonna say that the custom pop-ups we had here, we were actually physically doing our own custom pop-up from scratch in terms of code, but there's actually a component already built into HTML. Oh no, now it doesn't work. Come on, hold on. So Steam always has a bug where sometimes it makes my windows go black. Okay, so HTML has a built-in component for pop-ups and dialogues already. And this is basically it. So we need to use this. And now my system is bugging out. Okay. So I'm going to be telling the AI to use this for the pop-up. Yeah, it's just very buggy right now. Okay, so okay, then do a custom pop-up dialog that basically says coming soon. Use this for the pop-up. Okay, there we go. I think we can send that. I'll do GPT 5.4 to make sure it's done properly. We could maybe even do our own custom HTML web component that is a wrapper for the dialog tag, but have all of our styling and that. Okay, I think we do that as a follow-up prompt here. Okay, let's check how this one is doing. Okay, it's still busy. Let's refresh the page and have a look. Okay, I don't see any changes just yet. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong one. Because I said it should be on 11. Oh, okay. Okay, now we're cooking. We're obviously going to be changing it. We don't want it to look exactly like Wikipedia. And we obviously also can't use the exact info that they are using. Unless we created them, then we can do that. But for now, this is a good start to build a foundation for how the page should look. So I'm happy. Very happy. I wanted to see page 11. Oh yeah, I just threw all of the code in here. Dang, okay, that's gonna take some time to actually clean this up. Yep, but it's fine. We'll get it cleaned up. Okay. Black steam, white steam, I see no color. Black steam, white steam, I see no color. You can use Wikipedia stuff, it's not trademarked but not accurate either. I think Wikipedia is pretty accurate. Also, you can't just use it, you have to credit them. Because Wikipedia runs under a Creative Commons license, I think. If I check here. Uh, yeah, Creative Commons license. Attribution share alike. So if you go read this license, it's basically that you are free to share, copy, and redistribute the material in any way or adapt it for any purpose, even commercially. But you can see here, under the following terms, you have to give attribution. Meaning that I can't just use any of WordPress's content. Now you see here, text is available under Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike. But also Wikipedia is pretty accurate. Don't underestimate the accuracy of thousands of people over many years that have been contributing to it. I'm tightening the dialog lifecycle. Sweet. Coming soon dialog. Very nice. Nuhoi. Nuhoi, nuhoi. But anyone can contribute, even a downy. No, not true. Not anyone can contribute. So Wikipedia works on a reputation system. So you have to build up reputation before you can really contribute anything. If you are a new person, every contribution you do is basically reviewed. And slowly you build up contribution before you can just fully contribute. And therefore, Wikipedia is very accurate. I myself have contributed lots of stuff to Wikipedia in the past. I think I've made like 20 pages. And modified quite a few as well. Easy stuff to do. Uni's ban Wikia because it's bad at being accurate. It's not bad at being accurate. It takes a long time to gain reputation, so you have to be like contributing to it, accurate stuff for a long time before you actually become a trusted member. It's not that easy. Okay, done. Let's go have a look. So if I click on, let's say, Play Store. Okay, that needs to be improved. Uh, the dialog doesn't look good. Make sure it's using the same styling as the other cards. Okay, let's send that through. No, so Wikipedia doesn't pay most people. They only pay the top contributors. I've only contributed like 20 pages. 20 full pages, like brand new pages, and then I've maybe made like substantial edits to maybe like 5 or so other pages. I've not done that much at all compared to other people who have done thousands of substantial edits and thousands of new pages. But sites like Wikipedia are like losing contributors quickly now, thanks to AI. Okay, that's looking a bit better. Store support is on the way. Google Play Store support is coming soon. For now, the app is available on platforms that are linked here. Okay, sure. Let's just have a look here. Okay, let's just select this. We'll say for the dialog, please list the please okay, for the dialog, I want a different button, one that's more square. Yeah, let's send that through. Oh, I just used 5.4 for just a button. What a waste of a prompt. Yeah, well, now I can't actually work on my other website because my Steam OS is bugging out. This has been a bug for... Okay, now there we go. Now I can. Let's see how far this page is going. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. This actually looks like WordPress. And we're still missing some buttons and stuff. Some stuff don't work yet, but we are getting there. Okay. Let's refresh. If I click here. Those. Okay, that's looking better. Cool. Let's see. At least let's see what actually changed here, right? Apps. Okay. Iframe card. Site footer. Site header. Let's see here. What changed? Okay. Let's test some things out, right? So if I go to websites. Okay. Yeah, it's still scrolling on its own, unfortunately. A fix for later. All websites. Okay, I think I'm happy for now. There's still obviously the scrolling issue, but overall I think I'm happy. So let's commit this code. Created custom HTML web components. Okay, let's then commit and push, meaning that this will now go live. There we go. Okay. Like I said, there's still some work to do. Like, as example, this one is not showing correctly. This one's not showing correctly. We got the scroll issue. This one's not showing correctly. So overall, we do still have some issues to sort out. But I'm happy with what we have for now. Okay, this one's still busy going. Am I sharing this page? I am sharing it. Sweet. Okay. I think what we need to do now is look at the home page. I want this section to be different now. Okay. Let's say, okay, let's select this whole page section. I want to, let's make a new chat actually. Brand new chat. I want to change this attached portfolio section. Firstly, move Simac and Gojo monitor into the websites section under made for what's it called? Don't even remember. Made for others. Then for the section on the home home page, I want two columns and two rows to show the different portfolio paths and be able to go from here to them. So I'm talking about apps, games, websites, and libraries. Okay, let's see what it does with that for us. While that's busy going, I'm just gonna stretch a bit. Whew. I need to actually get into a habit of like maybe we should like move around every hour in the stream. Like every day while streaming, we should just move up and do some stuff every hour, just to like keep going and not be just sitting the whole time. That might be a good decision to do. I see we are also close to having 500 views on this video. Very nice. Thank you everyone who has been watching it. I appreciate it. We are going to be building some very cool stuff. Not so much cool stuff today, but in the future we are definitely going to be building cool stuff. Right now we are basically making small iterative changes that will eventually lead up to big changes. Skin. My Steam just crashed, I think. Did it? Not sure. Yep, my Steam crashed, which means I ran out of memory. Woo! Yeah, Steam's gonna be broken for a bit now, but luckily I can still work, which is good. Yeah, let me continue planning the next project here on the side. Okay, interesting, like decision choice in terms of how it looks. I don't like the way it looks, to be honest. Yeah, if it keeps it like that, I think we might need to change it. Okay, while this is busy going, I'll be right back again. Make it a bit bigger here. We'll do this, that. There we go. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey, it looks like it's finished. Cool. So if you want, I can also make the websites page default to all websites or made for others. Those client projects are visible. No. Okay. Don't like this, to be honest. Let's just test something. So if I do this. Oh, libraries is still missing the thing at the top. Ah, okay. We need to add it for libraries. Okay. Some changes I have to do quickly. The search area at the top is missing on the libraries page. Please add it there. The default should also be made for myself on all of the pages. I'm struggling to put in my ink pen, yet I'm doing everything right. I see. Okay. Then this UI I don't like that much. I feel like we need to change it. Let's do this, right? We'll select this whole section here. Let's give Sonnet a try again, since AdStar likes Sonnet. And we'll do, please redesign this attached section so that, actually we haven't tried Gemini yet. Nah, don't care about Gemini. Please redesign this attached section so that it fits / looks better with how other things are looking on this website. Yeah, let's try that and see what it does for us. Okay. It looks like this one finished for us. Let's have a look. Ah, okay, move to sidebar. Ah, okay, that doesn't work yet. Okay. I'm clicking on move to sidebar, but it's not working. I don't think we have full parity yet with WordPress. Please fix. The appearance panel is also missing, it seems. Let's send that. Okay, I really have to go start my work. Sounds good. Bye. I'm also close to ending. I'm going to end the stream very close shortly as well. So cheerio. Yeah, looks like it's still busy going here. Okay, that one's also busy going. Okay, sweet. I'm going to give this one actually a thumbs down, GPT 5.5, because it didn't give us full parity. So I'm going to say unhelpful. But it did do a pretty good job, I must say. Did a fairly good job. Okay, we're starting to get the appearance to show. It's nice. Okay, this one's also looking nice. Very nice. Let's have a look. Okay. I don't fully like this either, but I don't necessarily hate it also. That was like... Cool, I think I'm happy with this for now. So I think I'm going to end the stream. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. But I have to go. Bye bye!